Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix any on-display not working issues on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Let's begin. So first you want to navigate into Settings. Here we simply go into scrolling, we have to go and find lock screen and AOD, and in here you have always on display. Well, first you want to actually check if it's turned on, because if it's turned off it simply won't work. So we want to turn it on, but if you're still having any issues we can also click it, and as you can see we have a bunch of different options. I would advise you to toggle on show lock screen wallpaper or toggle off, as you could have downloaded a custom background from theme store, which I don't know, may not be supported in any way. So check if it's still not working with this option toggled on or off. And also you might just having trouble activating it, since by default you have to tap to show your display always on display bar. So for example we can check it on always, and now every single time we lock our screen, our always on display will turn on. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.